Hello, welcome back to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb and today I'm going to show you how to automate returns on eBay. So there are, on a basic level, you can automate it, and there is an advanced level as well. On the basic level, you just put the amount and the reason for return. On the advanced level, you can just put amount, the reason for return, and you can select specific listing or specific category. Both these methods will save you a lot of time in labor cost, and it will make the buyer experience much more seamless. Okay, so they will know, okay, what's if they open a return, for example, they will know exactly if it's accepted or if it's a refund has been issued straight away. So ideally, you want to keep that gap smaller. If you keep it too long, then they might end up, you might end up getting a negative review or something like that. So it's better to solve the issue as soon as possible once they have opened a return request. So let's jump back to the screen. From here, click on account settings and scroll down. You can see selling preferences. Click on selling preferences and all listing and orders. Under that, you can see return preferences. Click on edit, and that will take us to the basic return rules. Okay, on the basic return rules, the first one is to issue a automated refund. Okay. For that, you can put an amount. Again, this will be different based on what you're selling. So in some cases, if the item is a low value item, it's not worth the hassle to recall it. You might lose money if you recall it. So in that case, put whatever fits your business, that amount over here. And the reason for return, you have to select whatever applies. In some cases, for example, don't click on item is defective. The reason is that maybe they are doing something wrong. Maybe they need some help to do it correctly. In that case, if you see a return request, and if they have selected item is defective, you can send a message to them asking, okay, how can I help? Maybe you can help them to solve the issue. Maybe they are doing something wrong, or whatever it is, you can avoid that return request. So select whatever applies to you and then click on turn on. That will start this immediately. So whatever return comes in, if it fits that criteria, either it will issue a refund straight away or it will be there for your approval. Okay. And the next one, it's approve a return. Again, this is similar like the refund one. You can put the amount and the reason. Again, the same things apply, and you can turn it on. Make sure that you tick here, that's RMA number. That will help to identify the return. There is more than one way to identify the return. So having an RMA make it easier. So you have order number, you have email, you can have RMA as well. So it will be shown on the box as well once the return is delivered. And let's jump back to the advanced return rules. On here is the same thing, the refund or to approve the return. So let's go to the refund automatically. Here you will have more control. Okay, you can put a flat amount or you can put a range. Okay, this is the floor range and this is the ceiling range. You can put a price range and the reason as well. These two are kind of similar with the basic, and the only difference for advanced is here you can select a bunch of listing up to 500, or you can select the category. So if I select the listing, can create a list. You just have to name. So I'm just gonna put test, create the list. That will take you to the search page. You can type in the listing and you can select and then click add to list. That will bring all the listings over here that you want to add for this specific rule. So you can create a lot of different rules as well. So that's how you do it, create a list. And this is the same for by category. You can select the category as well. And then lastly, once you have done both those, either select the listing or the category. Okay. Once you have done that, you can name the rule as well. And then save and turn on. Again, that will immediately turn on the automation. And the next one is approve the return automatically. Here you have to select an address and then the price range, fixed price or the range, whatever suits you. And select the reason. Again, as we mentioned at the starting, select the one, in some cases you can solve the issue, you can avoid that return. So which one applies to you, select that option. Select the listings or a bunch of listing or a category and then name it. And then click save and turn on. That will automatically enable this automation straight away. These are the 2 options. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks a lot for watching.